what Nehemiah, he felt like an intense burden from God. He had the burden of the Lord upon him. And he needed to rebuild the walls of Jerusalem to provide what? Protection for the inhabitants. His preparation and his plan was described in chapters 1 and 2. And he and his workers were determined to arise and build the walls. In Nehemiah 2 and 18. And when he had determined to rebuild the wall around Jerusalem, he met powerful opposition. It's always opposition from his enemies. It's always opposition from your enemies, ain't it? And so when you determine to rebuild spiritual walls, you will face similar opposition from your enemies. Okay? These demonic forces that try to rise up against you. And so the strategies of the enemies of Nehemiah are identical to the strategy Satan uses to attack spiritual walls, y'all.